Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Maneesh, Vijaya.
Author of...
101 mistakes that project managers make.
Sir, are you a project manager yourself?
Yeah, I'm basically a project manager. I spent 28 plus years in project world, worked with every single domain where projects are undertaken, including defense,
Right.
even anti-terror squad.
Why did you decide to go with the mistakes that project managers make rather than like wins or something like that?
It's a brilliant question. What happens is when I, visit so many countries, so many organizations, and when I consult directors, or any of them,
Right.
they keep asking questions, or I keep telling them, "Hey, this is not what you should be doing, or this is what how it should be done." And there are a lot of mistakes people commit with
Right.
good intention without even realizing that this is a mistake.
Right.
Like multitasking.
Right.
Yeah, I'm sure you must have suffered from it too.
I cannot multitask for the life of me.
You should not.
Yeah.
And therefore, multitasking should be avoided.
Right.
Yeah.
So you actually encourage people to make mistakes in this way, like, to try new
Make
things.
new mistakes.
Make new mistakes.
Not
Don't
these.
do the old ones. Right.
Don't do the old ones, right?
Right.
So that's important.
If you had to give one piece of advice for our community of budding writers, what would that be?
Just be yourself.
Right.
I was told by a lot of people that write in a particular style or that style. No, everybody has their own style. There is no better, there is no good. You don't have to have the best command over your language. Don't worry about grammar. There'll be other people who'll take care of it.
Exactly.
But what you need to do is, if you have a thought, start writing it. Chapters and all will come later.
Right.
Don't overthink.
Right. And most importantly, make new mistakes.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Learn from others, right? So don't repeat the mistakes.
Right.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for sharing your
Most
experience with
welcome.
us. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.